Alright, hello, and you're watching Trails of Eurasia TV, and Zaur is here with you. And for today's episode, we're going to be showing you Galajig village, which is just surrounding this area, and Galajig waterfall. And Elvin is just with us again for this time, and let's follow the group, and we're going to be showing you lots of beautiful places. And for this time, there's another guy who is actually making videos, and he's in Baku, originally from Philippines. Jay!
Hi guys, I have a problem with my legs, but it's okay, I can manage this.
Yeah, Jay is not really properly quick like I was last time, but we're not gonna give up.
Yeah,
We keep moving.
we'll see you there.
Yeah, see you.
Thanks man.
So after we walked through passing entire village for about 3 kilometers, we are entering the forest now. Let's go. Alright, so we just had a place where we paid for the entrance to enter Shahdag National Park department, where surroundings are going to be Qalacıq village and Qalajig waterfall, and let's see what's next. We are in a very wild environment, even the phone has no connection. So we're having 5 minutes break as per guideline, and it's about 1.5 kilometers left to reach the Galajig waterfall, and hopefully it's not going to be dry like last time in Girda. Hopefully. Wow, so our guide can sniff the waterfall. Elvin, how long? Say hi.
Huh?
Say hi.
Hi, how are you?
Alright, so here is Elvin, he's our guide, and he promised us to walk for another 1
Till to water.
kilometers until we see the waterfall, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Still breathing. Still breathing. Yeah, let's continue the journey. It's almost there, right?
So we have another 500 meters apparently, and we're going to be reaching waterfall. Long awaited waterfall. So guess what? We've heard some sound of the water. We felt like it was a waterfall, and then we found this one. So we gotta keep moving and keep moving. Shouldn't give up. Let's do it. Just look up there. Sorry, are we going up there or no? What do you mean if you want? Of course we are.
I have
All
binocular.
included.
This binocular you can.
No, I don't want a binocular, man. It's like watching at home. You know, National Geographic. Started raining, but it's okay, it's not cold, so we don't give up, we continue. And finally, Zohar is here inside this beautiful waterfall. We deserve it because we had a really long walk and now having this waterfall spa. Look at this, fresh, cool, beautiful. Wow. Guess what? We can actually keep moving further up and we are on it. Follow us. We don't know what to expect, but we are on the way higher. So, out of our group, I and Elman managed to climb and conquer this hill here. So we are nearly under the waterfall. As you can see, it's pretty wide, even though it's not really the waterfall seasons now. But the height is, well, it's definitely more than 100 meters. I mean, from the level where we are at now, and then further down, it could reach like a kilometer. Oh, delicious, delicious, fresh spring water. You see, I climbed wherever possible here, and it's all just done for you. So you watch it, and you're coming over to Azerbaijan. Thank you for watching Qalacıq Waterfall, Azerbaijan, and stay tuned. See you